Tina with WTI. I just have to tell you about this fabulous espresso machine by Capresso. My husband is a big coffee drinker and I love latte drinks, so this machine is perfect for the two of us. One thing we love is how easy it is to use. All you have to do is put your espresso grinds in the portafilter, press down, lock it in, and turn it on. And you have a beautiful cup of espresso. We love the foam on top and the coffee tastes great. I also really love the steamer function. My favorite drink is a chai tea latte, and with this machine I can make it at home. Just put my milk in, let it steam for a few seconds, let it get nice and warm and bubbly, put it in my drink, and I am ready to go. This espresso machine also looks beautiful in our kitchen. I love how it fits in my little coffee bar area. I think it's beautiful and it really works well in our home. Overall, this is a great machine. It's easy to maintain, it's easy to use. The water container area on the back holds plenty of water, so you don't have to be constantly refilling. This has been a great machine for us, and that's my point of view.